Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on VIVO V15 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now in the top search enter Firefox. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Right here we can begin the setup, so set Firefox browser as a default browser or skip it with not now. I'm gonna do it. Then sign in to turn on synchronization between other Firefox using devices. I'm gonna click on not now. And from here your browser is ready, you can open any website, and as you can see it works great. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.